Look how long it is. Damn. What are we looking at? Length. Keep going. Right there, right there, right there. It's about, how long is it?
40 feet.
40 feet long cable, guys. Look at that. And I still have a little bit more slack in here with the cable, the actual wire. Not bad. So we're gonna set this up today. Put it on this nice little palm tree. To upgrade, I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today we're gonna bring in some outdoor LED lights, and these are pretty much for palm trees, or your house. In Christmas around the corner, this is perfect for Christmas. Now, they do give you two sets of little spikes, and it's just to extend it if you want to, or you could just completely just have it as it is, or have a different kind of mount for it. But if you guys can notice, there's an on and off button in the back, and there's also a mode, different modes, because we're gonna take a look at it and see what kind of modes they are. But if you guys can see, it's very simple to place. All you got to do is drag it in there, and they give you two of those, right? And these are about 40 feet, water protected, waterproof, so you don't have to worry about anything. Everything's like plastic, if you guys can see it. Nice little plastic made, so everything should be looking good.
If you would have given me time, I would have done it better. I would have cleaned that up.
Yeah, look at this guy. So it takes like two of them, you know. One could climb up there. You need a ladder, of course. All right, guys, so if you guys see it right there, the solar panel, it's set up already, and the wire goes all the way around, goes all the way to the tree, the palm tree actually. Look at this thickness on there. Of course, you can make them thinner. You can add two if you want, three, but it goes all the way high, and this is like around 40 feet. So 40 feet of cable. The tree is actually almost like 15 to 20 feet high, so not that bad. We could cover the whole thing in at night. We'll come back and see how it looks. You see the extra cable on there? We got that cover. All right, so that's one mode. Oh, look at that one, Christmas lights, blinking lights. Okay, try the next one. Those are just standard solid static lights. All right, those are little pulsing lights. That's not bad. Those are a little more flickering lights. And then one more. You guys can see it. And that's it. Which one do you like, Rob? The static ones? The switching lights? All right, now let me talk about the tree here, the palm tree. Look at it, guys, the palm tree from this distance with the little lights, the RGB lighting, different modes. Lasts a couple hours, and we do have a charging station in the bottom, solar charging station, but we're all set. All right, so here's a actual solar little panel on the bottom, and I'm actually standing a little bit back. You can see it. It's getting a little dark out here, but we're getting there. Right now we have a static. This is perfect for backyard scenery.